Hey guys, I want to show you a quick and easy way to grab some leads for your business. What you can do is in Google, you can type in site colon, and we're going to search facebook.com. We're going to put into quotations physical therapy with a quotation at the end, and then another quotation, Gmail quotation. And what that's going to do is it's going to go and pull up all of these Facebook pages, and you can see that you can have multiple pages here. So you just keep scrolling down and then it's going to pull all that information up. So that's a really easy way that you can get email addresses. But an even better thing to do is jump over to this scraping tool called Data Miner. Once you have this plugin installed, over here you're going to run the Data Miner app. You're going to tell it to scrape this page, and then you're going to hit generic recipe. You're going to hit select, and then it's going to go through and it's going to scrape all those email addresses into one account for you. And then when you're done, you can hit download and it can go to a CSV, an Excel, or copy it to clipboard. Hope this helps. You can also do this for Instagram, TikTok, any other social media platform that's out there if you want to get email addresses for companies.